Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings, scroll through the menu, find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called Saved Networks and tap on it. And here we have the list of networks our watch is connected to, or rather have them saved. So basically, if you have a couple of networks saved here, your watch will connect to them automatically when it's in range. So if you want to disconnect from the network, find it on the list, tap on it, and in this menu find the forget option, and then tap on it and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the network will disappear from the list, and once it does, your watch won't be connecting to it automatically anymore. And if you want to connect to it again, you will need to basically go to add network and find it on the list and connect to it. Okay, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.